Hello everyone, welcome to my second lecture on pointers. In lecture 1, we have learned the concept of pointers. Now, in this second lecture, I am going to explain how to write basic C program using pointers. Let us see the first program using pointer, that is program to perform basic arithmetic operations using pointer. We have already learned how to write a simple C program for basic arithmetic, that is mathematical operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Instead of normal variables, now in this program we will use pointers for performing these basic arithmetic operations. So for this we will require two normal variables to represent two numbers, that is NO1, NO2. Then I am declaring two pointers here, P1 and P2. As in lecture number 1 we have studied this asterisk or star differentiate between the normal variable and the pointer variable. Then result, whatever the arithmetic operation we will perform, that will be stored in result. Div, this is variable required for the division result. First of all, let us accept two integers using scanf, NO1 and NO2. Two numbers will be accepted using this scanf function. Then at this step I am assigning the address of NO1 variable to P1 so that P1 will become the pointer to NO1 variable. Secondly, assign the address of NO2 to P2 so that P2 will become the pointer of NO2 variable. So like this we have initialized the pointers to NO1 and NO2 variables. Now after initialization of these pointers, in further arithmetic operations, instead of using NO1 and NO2, we will use P1 and P2. Let us see first addition. So our statement is result is equal to star P1 plus star P2. So this is addition using pointers P1 and P2. Star P1 represents the value of NO1, that is the value pointed by P1, and star P2 represents the value of NO2, that is the value pointed by P2. So like this, value pointed by P1 will be added with value pointed by P2 and the result will be stored here. And in next printf function I am displaying the sum using this result. So in this way the first arithmetic operation addition is performed. Similarly go for the subtraction, star P1 minus star P2 and display the difference. Go for multiplication, star P1 again star P2. Now in this multiplication statement or expression we are coming across three stars. First star is used to represent the pointer variable P2. Second star is representing the multiplication operation and third star is representing the pointer P2. So we should take care to separate this with the proper spacing or spaces in between and display the result. Then for division I am using this slash operator, slash P1 slash star P2. Now here as P1 and P2 both are integers, here integer division will occur, and to avoid the incorrect result I am cast typing the star P2 to float. Now here the division will be performed integer divided by float and we will get the floating point result and the division will be displayed. So like this is a simple program in which I am using two pointers P1 and P2 to perform four basic mathematical operations. Now let us have program number 2 using pointer, that is program to swap values of two variables using pointers. So swapping of two variables we have already done using basic expressions or statements using the temporary variable. So here also the logic is same, only using pointer will be there. Again x and y, the two variables which represents these two values. Temp is the variable required for swapping. Then I will declare two pointers, one is px and one is py. Px will be the pointer of x, py will be the pointer of y. So address of x is assigned to px, address of y is assigned to py. So in this way, px will become the pointer of x, py will become the pointer of y. Now further in this program, whenever I want to process the value of x and y, I will use star px and star py instead of x and y. Let us accept the values of x and y first using scanf function. So here I have accepted the values of two integers, that is x and y as usual. Then the further three statements are important, that is we are swapping the values of these two variables using pointers or in terms of pointers. The first step is temp is equal to star px. Now here star px represents the value of variable x. Star px is equal to star py. Here also the star py represents the value of y variable which is assigned to x. Star py is equal to temp. So like this, in these three steps, we are quite familiar with these three steps, that is swapping up two values using temp variable. Earlier we have written the program using only x and y, that is temp is equal to x, x is equal to y is equal to temp. Now only here replace x with star px and replace y with star py. It will become the steps or the swapping values using pointers. That is a simple thing we can do here, and the program will become using pointer. After performing these steps, we can display the values of variables x and y. We will get the values swapped. Let us see the output. See here, enter two integers. I am entering two values 15 and 20. 15 is value of x, 20 is value of y. After swapping, the value of x will become 20 and value of y will become 15. So in this way, in this program, I accepted the values of two variables in terms of x and y, that is normal variables. But while swapping, I use the pointers instead of variables, and then the output is displayed in terms of variables again. So this program demonstrates the use of pointers to swap the values of two pointers. Thank you.